What you need to do, you just simply come over into your taskbar, click on here, and then here you will find the Windows security. If you don't find it over here, just simply search, coming on search option and going to search for Windows security. You will find over here. If you click on that, your Windows security will be opens, and from here you just need to select virus and threat protection. If you click on that, and if you scroll down a little bit, you will find the option called Ransomware Protection. If you click on manage Ransomware Protection, if you click on that, you will get an option called controlled folder access, and turn it on, click yes for the permission. And if you click on protected folders, if you click on it, click yes for the permission. And this is all the default folder. You can also add a protected folder from here. Just simply click on any of your folder, like I'm choosing program file, select folder, and it will automatically add it into ransom protected folders. So this is how you can enable ransom protection in Windows Defender. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.